Okay, let's see if we can do a little investing today. You know, investing is just that. You're investing your money into something that you believe in. Now, everybody believes in a bank account if they use one. So what we're going to do today is let you know how InvestPack 8 is teaching. This is our account that's going to be teaching you how to invest. And we started off with $50. So now today, we have done a total investment of $320. And we have gotten our original amount of money out of this account. And we put $50 in today. So $50 is all we have in this account right here. The rest of it, we have taken about $200 out, and we done whatever we wanted to do with it, and we still have $320 to invest. So this is all in an investment. Why would we want to invest in a time like today? The stock market has gone down, okay? And these are the ones that you would want to invest in if you are doing the type of investments that we're doing. We're not giving you any specific stock to invest in or any company to invest in. These are all crypto, and we chose to do crypto this year. Now, as you see this number going down, you want to wait for the next wave when it stops going down. Okay? So when this hits bottom, then you want to be investing in these, especially the ones that has the bigger numbers of retraction. All right, we don't look at investments as, oh, this is a good one, oh, that's a bad one. You know, it's which one is moving. If there's nothing moving, no money's made. There's no opportunity to invest. So to the average investor, this would look terrible if you was on this. All right, and you see the numbers keep going down. This is an opportunity. Now people are actually taking money out of these systems, and you want to wait until they get through, or wait, or somewhere in there. And it's always a good trade. Remember, it's always a good trade. We never take our money out because us being afraid of this number here. Never take money out in the red. Now, some of you are not a part of what we're doing. You have not signed up, and I'm putting this out so you can see how you're with a group of investors. This is us over here, InvestPack 8. You can actually go to InvestPack 8 and join in with us, investpack8.com, and we will mentor you and show you how to get involved. We show you how to get into different platforms where there's no charges as far as fees for doing for trading itself. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Let's go up here. Okay. So this is what our account looks like right now. And see, it's actually going up. It's going up 11%. And so that creates, we're actually in the green. We took a big hit here. Okay. But that's a big opportunity for us. Look at this as your money in a bank account, because this is linked to a bank account. If you had put $50 in your account, would it have grown to this? No way. In your regular bank account, if you just put it in there, would $50 turn into this? Impossible. Because you'll be getting 0.005 or 0.00 something every year. And these are trades of, gosh, 9%, 100%. And when I say 100%, there are other methods that we accumulate commissions into these accounts. One of them, once you learn our strategy, it will pay you $50 for each person that gets involved and start trading. That's $50, and you can do this 10 times. So that can give you $500 into your account. But see, we don't just leave the $500 in there. We work the $500 on top of your $50. Okay? So, no money moving, no money's made. We move money. We don't let money just sit passive. If you're looking for hundreds and thousands of dollars, then you must knead the dough, like they say. Kneading with your hand. So we knead the dough. Once we get the dough, we knead it. We work it till it rises. All right. So let's look at a little something else, and this is especially for our team members. Okay. So now these are the big movers up. All right. That means you should have already been on this one. You should have already been on this one. As it rises, this would rise here. All right. We teach you chart reading. We take you to the portfolio. So we've already gotten out more than 100% of what we're doing of our investments. So now we're waiting on the next ride. This is what I'm telling you about the commissions. Here. No, that's a refund, okay? Here. Commission. There we go. Okay, here we go. Commission. And these are just people that's gotten in on this platform and they done their job. They went on and traded. So when I see this come in, that means that particular person is ready for a certificate. We give out certificates in what we're doing. All right. So let me show you what happens while we was adjusting our account. You see, went backwards 16%, 7.15, 6% here. All right. So this is what happens when you move your money in the red. In other words, don't sell unless it's in the green. So these are some of the, oh yeah, and this here I just didn't like at all, so I just canceled it. I knew that I would be in a negative right here, but I've done all this to show you how to trade and what to look forward to, and so I'll show you some good percentages. So off of this $85, I made $15.50. Off of this $70, I made $12.31. Off this 65, I made $6. And you see, off this 55, I made $10.12. Now look at your percentages. We're getting 18% return here, 9% return here, 17.59 here, and return here of 17. So we are consistent in our percentages. Mine's a little unusual because I have to do certain things so you can see what happens. If you cut short before it matures, then you're subject to see a loss of 5.6%, see a loss of $1.60, $1.96, see a loss here of $2.51. Now, if I had not gotten off of there while it was in red, then it would have been green. I wouldn't have lost a dime. So our normal trading is this. Okay, we never sell. We never sell when it's in the red, and we try not to buy in the green. And we'll tell you when you join in with us. Remember, you can join in on investpack8.com, and then send me a text or whatever, and we can get you involved in what we're doing. Okay. So when you get over there, let us know you exist, and we'll probably see you when you join as an affiliate. So I'll be checking that. All right. So on $25, okay, I got $5.74. That is a good percentage off of $25. Actually, it's 22.96%. See, we don't calculate money so much. We calculate the percentage of return that we get. Look at this, $25. $25, I consistently make at least $5. So if you get enough of these in here, then you're gonna be making some good money. That's a 22.72% trade. All right. Look at it like a job, and you're actually in your own banking account. So if that money had been just sitting around, then no money moving, no money's made. All right. All stock is going to be flip-flopping. It's going up one day and it's going down another. But this is the trading opportunity. We have been taught to put money in and let somebody else build our money for us, and that's how. That's the only thing we can understand. But I would teach you this. Okay. So we got $300 cash flow. How many fees? What is our total fees? 0. So join in with me and I'll show you how to make this money. I have been out of pocket for a while, but I wanted everybody to see this video. Let me see if I can do something. Okay. So I could share what I've done here. Okay, I like that. And let me see. We'll go to portfolio again. Oh, I could have went from the top up here. Yeah, let me do this. Okay. So this shows you the money that was in by compounding. Compounding, and also using commissions um, from however I can get commissions. It could actually be from another thing I'm doing. Well, put it in your bank account and put it to make money off of it. Isn't that great? So, so right now it is actually growing. Let me see if I can maneuver through this thing here. Okay, see, it's still growing. The value, ending value. Wow, this is blowing my mind this morning. All from a $50 deposit, and everything else was just good decisions. $30 days. Okay. 3 months. Aren't you guys excited about this? Especially our group. We will be um, giving out certificates if we have your information. If you was able to maneuver and doing a couple of trades, we'll be asking you a few questions, but you must sign up in investpack8.com to be noticed. And this way we can get your certificates ready, because we have one coming at the end of this month. And it's really exciting what's getting ready to happen. We will be teaching anybody, as long as you're 18 years of age and you have a bank account and a debit card, or on that bank account, then you can get involved in this and make money consistently. So this was all done in 30 days. I mean, 30 days. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what the settings are doing here. Okay. So you can check all the different things you need to know about your account. But I'm really trying to, let's go to home and see what happens. Okay, home. Okay, this is still moving 8%. Algo, however you want to speak it, say it. Now all of this can change. And the other thing about this, everything I have in there, but that last thing I put in was $50 a day. It's already know when to sell. So once you get it set, it already knows to sell. Let's see if I can. Huh. This is a long video, but I think everybody needs to see this. They've changed some things. Let's see. Or it's new to me. There we go. So basically, I'm on two stocks: Bitcoin Cash and Shiba. Okay, so it tells you the value of that account, of that trade. Okay, I think this was a $40 trade here, something like that. So this is what it's worth right now. So we tell you how to do all this, how to create a chart. So you can buy, sell, and you can um, you can preset these. Okay. So let's say we're gonna sell. Now each one of these two are already at TP, take profits. This one is the last one I've done. It's not to take profits. So let's see what the profit's supposed to be. And see, we just nibble. We don't have no. We want to get paid. We don't want to. Okay, this one's actually set to take profits at $3. Why did I set that like that? Because I need to get this money here with 10%, so I can go in and make another trade. So when I go back to make another trade, I'm making a trade with $33. We don't want to sit here and wait and try to get $30 off of $30. Let's get the 10% and roll and make another trade. Okay. This one is also set to trade on its own. So this one will drop $15. All right. It had to go. It's retraction. So when you start seeing it like this, buy more of it. That's what I did today. I put $50 in. So when it started going back up, it's all you're always making money. So that particular one can actually be making money while these are waiting, because you want to catch. See, this one can actually be making money. See, I hadn't set it to sell, but see, we're only down $2.39. So it's going to start going into profits here in a little bit. It's down 4%. Okay. So I could set it to take profits. Let's do that. Let's take profits. I'm going to just take profits. Now, people get happy, so ooh, I can take $475. No, that's not what we're trying to do. And this is rate. We need amount. So amount. I don't want to take 400. That's not realistic. So let's take 10%, $5. We'll set it, reset it here. I can take $5 when it moves 10%. Okay, so I'll update that. So everything I have in here now is set. Okay, you see what happens? It's set. All this is set to sell. I don't have to worry about what it's doing. I don't. So um, I can go fishing. Uh, I can go vacation. And guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna dump money from this one, and this one. And when it's free, I can go back in again. It would be great if it done it today. Uh, this one has just a little bit to go, where it's gonna to uh, go to the green. It's gonna turn green, hopefully today. And then after it gets up to its percentage, which is $5, it's gonna dump it, and this ceases to exist. So you follow how we do this. Now you can actually set up a bunch of them. You can put a bunch of them and just we call this our garden stock. Garden stock trading, just like you have a gestation period for food. So if you got a gestation period for food, then that means corn comes off of this, cabbage comes off at a certain time, tomatoes come off at another time, etc. and so forth. So you could plant your garden. We create a garden stock, garden method. All right. So you look at this one as a banana tree or something. Whatever it takes a long time to, um, excuse me. Whatever it takes a longer time, we just wait on it. Okay. And um, it'll dump that money in your account. So wouldn't it be good to every day something's popping off? Every day you're going to your garden and it's popping off, and you got about 20 or 30 of these set because you're using the money that you would have just been in your bank account. You put it into an account that's going to bear interest. If you had $5,000, can you imagine your garden? Okay? Your garden will be popping off all day, every day. So, because you'll be catching it at different points in the stock market. Okay, we'll view charts. And you can also set an alert to tell you when something's going on. But we decided not to do that. We just went on, we'd set it to sale at our time. That's all we need to know. So view chart on this one. Okay. The overall is 19% down. Why are we not concerned because of this? We set up our charts to tell you to keep going. Right now, this is what you call a bull market. Okay, this is how much money has been put in. This is going to tell us when something's going to change as far as the direction of the stock market. We teach you how to do all that. This also tells you the momentum, stand basically hang in there, don't leave. Don't take your money out. Don't be scared because it's in a bull market, and we don't take out anyway. When it hits red, that's not what we want to do. We don't take nothing out, and if you're not in profit, then there's nothing you can do. You just let the market do what it has to do, and when it's ready, you'll be able to participate as far as making money with the stock market in your own banking account. Awesome. Well, I guess that should be good enough for us today. Hope all of you have learned something. Excuse me. Okay, so keep this in mind. Never, ever sell in the red. Never do anything until this is green. Always build your charts and know how they work. You can tell when people go to lunch, or if you're in a different, even if you're in a different country. Always set the times on how fast you want your chart to show work for you. We have ours set on 1 minute. If you had it set for a day, the chart would look like this. And this will not move until tomorrow. So all you would see is gloom and doom. So we'll set it back to 1 minute. All our trades are set to C at real-time movements. Okay guys, you've heard it from Gary, and you can see there's another opportunity to start buying. Okay, we we play both ends of the candle. We do the red and we do the green. We do both parts of the spectrum. We rejoice when it goes down and when it goes up. You know when I don't like it going down, when I don't have any money to put in. Remember, we never lose money if we don't sell in the red. So let it go down, do what it has to do, and then you can get busy later. Okay, we'll talk to you later. This is Gary with InvestPack8.com. We'll see you at the top.